You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. Money is not emotional, but it responds to the way that you treat it. If you keep abusing money, don't be surprised when it avoids you like a plague. This one thing is silently killing the chance of you becoming financially free. And in this video, I want to share with you how you need to avoid money abuse and what you can start implementing. And guys, once you fix it, money will definitely come after you. In today's video, a lot of people are not aware of what money abuse is. And I want to be able to establish several ways that a lot of people are getting trapped, and some even say they are not aware. And see, anything you're not aware of means that you lack knowledge of it. And when you lack knowledge of it, it means that you're also going to face the repercussion of not knowing it. So this particular challenge has led a lot of people to keep going through the cycle of struggling. And until they fix this abuse, they might not be able to get the result that they want to get. Personally, I had to stop and fix this myself. And when I started fixing this, money started coming after me. So what is money abuse? Number one money abuse I want to share with you today is overspending on wants that are neglecting your need. I can tell you for free, when it comes to earning, when it comes to making money, when it comes to managing resources, when it comes to building financial freedom, one of the major challenges a lot of people have is that they overspend on what they want. And in real life, you need to focus on what you need and what you want. For example, you want several bags, but what you need is a bag. For example, you want multiple cars, but what you need is a car. You see, you want to come into a place where you understand that every money you spend matters. And if you put it on your want, you will later want. But when you spend it on your need, it will definitely take care of your future. Number two, ignoring budget completely. You see, one of the things money wants you to do is to be able to have relationship with it. And to have relationship with money, you want to be able to work on your budget. You see, I used to spend anyhow as the money comes some years ago. But when I became very deliberate about how I spend my money, money began to honor me. Money began to respect me. Because I take my time to know where my money is going, how my money is coming in, and how I can multiply my money. And that has allowed me to be able to gain the respect of money. So if you want to gain the respect of money today, you want to be able to question where your money is going, answer how your money is coming in, and direct where your money is going to. Once you are able to fix these three, I tell you for free, money will definitely come after you, because you have a good relationship with it through budgeting. Number three, hiding purchases from your partner. You see, when it comes to money abuse, you can keep falling into this trap if you are not deliberate about sharing with your partner your transactions, how you spend your money. You see, when you start hiding money from your partner, either your male partner or your female partner, I tell you, this is one of the ways that you're going to be falling a victim of this money abuse. So when you want to invest, when you want to spend money, you want to carry your spouse along. You want your spouse to be aware. Not because you want to die suddenly, but because you want her to be aware. And it is a sign that you are respecting money. Not just that you're spending money anyhow and you are not deliberate with how you spend your money. You have to share. Let your wife know, let your husband know, so that there can be proper documentation, awareness that will save you on the long run. Number four, borrowing unnecessarily. You see, the Holy Book says that borrowers are servants to the lender. See, I try so much to stay away from borrowing funds, especially when it is not money that I want to use to acquire assets. Guys, I stay extremely away from it. You want to avoid this because a lot of people outside there, they have a lot of debt and they are still struggling to pay and they are going for more. I see people, some even try to change SIM and they collect loan from OPay, they collect loans from every other platform and they are struggling to pay. You see, this is one of the major money abuse that money will naturally be running away from you from. You want to avoid borrowing money, and if you have to borrow money, make sure it is for asset acquisition, not for liability, not for parties, not for enjoyment. You must be deliberate so that money can also be deliberate with you. Number 5, being addicted to instant gratification. I tell you, I used to be a victim of this. I love things now. I want to do things for you and get to make my money straight away. But as I begin to understand how money works, I understand the power of delayed gratification. That allows me to even make more money than the expected income that I'm meant to make from a particular transaction. And this has happened to me severally. So I totally recommend that you leverage more on what is called delayed gratification rather than instant gratification. If you can work on these 5 money abuse, you will definitely overcome money abuse and money will start coming after you. Money abuse is not just a bad habit. It is a mindset problem that creates a poverty loop. So you want to make sure you stop any way, any path you're using to abuse money. Why money abuse kills wealth building? You must understand that you can't build wealth with disrespect. As a matter of fact, if you constantly mishandle money, it will always disappear from you and it will never multiply and you will keep struggling. So fix this so that you can over time build the kind of wealth that you desire. Just like in relationship, your money must be stewarded with intentionality. So, Mr. Mayowa, what are ways that I can use to avoid and overcome money abuse? Okay, so whenever you want to really overcome money abuse, there are about 5 ways I will share with you right now. Number 1, track your spending like your life depends on it. You can use apps like Excel sheet to be able to track your record, and there are some finance app on your phone that you can also use that allows you to keep record of both your income and your expenses. You see, you must know that everything starts with awareness before recovery. So now that you are aware of money abuse, start recovering back all the unnecessary spending that you have spent before. Number 2, practice 24 hours rule. Wait for 24 hours before you buy anything that is not necessary. I can tell you guys for free that it is a very amazing way to save yourself from impulsive buying. A lot of our ladies outside there will buy things impulsively. Some guys also do. You know, when money comes into your account, you just want to make sure you are buying. But when you apply the 24-hour rule, it saves you from buying impulsively. Number 3, assign every naira a purpose. If you have not watched my training on financial structure, my team can help you put it here. Because when you understand financial structure, every kobo, every money, every dollar that comes into your account, you will attach it to a purpose and you will be able to achieve what you want to achieve. Leveraging on financial structure like investing, saving, expenses, tithe and giving, and all of that. You must know that your money will only follow the assignment that you have given it. So if you don't assign your money, it's not going to go on any assignment. So fix that. Number 4, set periodic accountability checks. You could get a coach, get a mentor, you could get your spouse. Just make sure you have somebody that you are reporting, engaging with on your expenditure and the way you behave with money, because money abuse has a way of hiding itself, like it hides itself. Like some of you don't even know that you are abusing money. These are the things that will allow you overcome money abuse. Get a coach, report, and it will help you. For me, that's what changed everything for me. I still meet up with my coach every 3 months on how I spend the company's funds and also my own funds. And that's basically how to grow business. Coupled with the fact that somebody like me, we already have board of directors that we also report to. So we must be able to put in structures, put in check and balances that will help you. Number 5, reward your financial discipline. Whenever you hit a milestone, celebrate it. I remember when I first bought my acres of land, I celebrated it. When I bought the second one, it wasn't like the first one, but every milestone I celebrated. Now we have 4-5 estates to our credit, and it's still counting. So this is how to celebrate your milestone at every point in time, and you will be glad you did. And I'm excited because once you fix all of this, I tell you, money abuse will naturally stop. This is it in closing. If you treat money right, money will work for you. And if you abuse it, I tell you for free, guys, it's going to stay away from your life. So the choice is yours. You want to be able to say to yourself, I want to be able to manage money. I want to be able to respect money, and we're good to go. So guys, if you treat money right, money will work for you. And if you abuse money, it's going to stay away from you. The choice is yours. You want to be able to say to yourself, I will stop abusing money. And once you start fixing it with all of these that I've recommended in this video, I guarantee you that money will start coming after you. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, I want you to comment below the abuse you're going to stop right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and click on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.